figure this out in real time. This is too complicated. The bottom line is that the headline is...
I just want to make sure the audience gets it, yeah.
Look, the headline is, I'm reading the tweet, Ripple sales of XRP do not constitute offer of investment contracts, according to DOGE. They won.
What's going on, bull runners? Welcome back to the channel. Imagine waking up in a world where your investments double overnight, where the financial landscape is reshaped by the very technology that you hold in your hands. Welcome back to your daily dose of crypto enlightenment. Today, we're diving into the future that's not just possible, but happening right now. But remember, this isn't just a news update. This is your ticket to financial empowerment. First up, we've got a mystery to unravel. What's the next big move for XRP? Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is poised to share insights that could send XRP's value soaring. But here's the catch. This revelation is happening at a key event, and time is ticking down. The XRP Community Day is just around the corner, and every second counts if you want to be a part of this monumental shift. And also including in the XRP news today, let's decode the wisdom from Cryptosphere's Oracle. Ripple CTO David Schwartz has been dropping hints about the intrinsic connections between Satoshi's Bitcoin vision and XRP's current trajectory. This isn't just about which coin will lead. It's about understanding the blockchain ethos that could redefine how we think about money. And finally, hold on to your seats because Elon Musk, the maestro of innovation, is reportedly exploring blockchain to put the brakes on government spending. Imagine a system where transparency isn't just a promise, but a reality. This could be the shakeup that we need, but here's the urgency. If this comes to fruition, it could alter landscape of blockchain applications overnight. The problem is the bureaucratic inefficiency, and the solution is Musk's vision. It might just be the catalyst for a blockchain revolution in governance. Time is of the essence in the crypto world, and every second you're not informed, you're a step behind. But here's the deal. Stick with us till the end, and I'll give you an exclusive sneak peek at our new crypto community, Altcoin Pro. In fact, you might notice my background is different today. The whole Bull Runners team is here in Vegas today. We will be doing a meetup for the Altcoin Pro team this week. This isn't just any platform. It's where you'll connect with like-minded investors, get access to pre-release insights, and much more. But remember, this is only for people that stay until the end. So if you're like most people and you don't have the opportunity to spend 4 or 5 hours in the crypto news every single day like we do on this channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you're feeling bullish about this current bull run, let me know by commenting 777 down below. We will also be jumping over to X to find out all of the breaking news that is happening in the crypto world today as well. We will deep dive into Musk exploring blockchain used to curb US government spending, and Satoshi's Bitcoin. Ripple CTO shares key XRP BTC insight. And our main headline of the day is going to be what's next for XRP, Ripple CEO to reveal at a key event. Before we jump into all the headlines, let's go ahead and take a look at the overall crypto market today. As you are all aware, over the last several days, the grind has been slow and grueling to the upside, which is positive. So we are currently sitting at $3.6 trillion market cap, $85 billion worth of 24-hour volume inside the market cap. Also, ETF tracking inflow. As you remember, we talked the volume of the ETFs have been tracking down significantly. However, huge positive news. The latest report came out January 23rd, $517 million inflow Bitcoin, $9.2 million inflow for Ethereum. Fear and greed index currently sitting at 61. This is always a good sign when we start to move to the upside and we're not too overheated in the 80s and 90s. Fear and greed yesterday was also a 61. Last week we got up to a 66. We had a pretty good move to the upside. Unfortunately, rebounded to the downside. Last month average was 62 in the greed area. Taking a look at altcoin season index, currently sitting at a 46, yesterday a 46, last week a 47, and last month a 47 as well. So January coming to a close here this week. Will we finally break into the 50s for altcoin season? Let me know down below. Top 5 trending coins over on CoinMarketCap. Number 1, Melania. Melania trying to make a comeback here, sitting at $2.75. Trump coin not doing so hot, down 5% today, sitting at $28. Jupiter has huge news. I'll cover that here in just a moment as well. Up 14% today, a massive move to 97 cents. STPT at 14 cents, and Litecoin coming out of nowhere, up 4.26%, sitting at 1, 2, 3, 5 full. Almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, taking a quick look here, Solana-based DEX Jupiter acquires a majority stake in Moonshot. Solana-based decentralized exchange DEX aggregator Jupiter announces the acquisition of a majority stake in Moonshot, an app that allows users to buy meme coins using Apple Pay. Meow, Jupiter's synonymous founder, on January 25th shared the news on X. For the first announcement of Cats and Bull, I'm thrilled to share that Jupiter Exchange has acquired a majority stake in Moonshot. The team is among the smartest, most driven group of people I've ever met. And remember, Moonshot's popularity surged, especially following the launch of Donald Trump's official Trump coin on January 18th. During the Trump meme coin debut, Moonshot saw nearly $400 million in trading volume. All right, let's jump over to X and find out what's going on. So something outside of crypto, but crypto adjacent, has been really blowing up on X. And if you're not aware, this is something that you should be aware of. AI bubble popped. Some people are freaking out right now because DeepSeek, which is a Chinese-based AI model, if the DeepSeek results are truly real, Nvidia could find itself in a situation eerily similar to which Cisco faced after the dot-com bubble burst in the 2000s. For those of you not around or old enough to understand what happened back then, during that bubble, Cisco was dominant supplier of networking equipment, riding a wave of massive demand as startups and tech companies scrambled to build internet infrastructure. When the bubble burst, many of these companies went bankrupt and the market was flooded with secondhand Cisco equipment. Demand for the new hardware evaporated and Cisco's meteoric growth stalled for years. And in Nvidia's case, the booming AI industry has created a gold rush for its GPUs, with startups and tech giants investing billions into the hardware. Many AI startups flush with venture capital have purchased thousands of NVIDIA GPUs. That is so they can train their models to operate their businesses. If DeepSeek disrupts the need for such hardware or leads to widespread failures in these startups, a flood of secondhand NVIDIA GPUs could hit the market, mimicking the post-bubble scenario Cisco endured. Now, a couple of things could be really positive for crypto if this happened. Well, yeah. NVIDIA GPUs would be out on the market for an inexpensive price, so you could use them to mine Bitcoin. The only problem is if for some reason NVIDIA stock plummeted, people would be freaking out. It might suck liquidity out of crypto. So we'll see. We're going to follow this one closely because this is a really big deal. So keep an eye on this DeepSeek Chinese AI versus all of the United States-based AI companies. And also, if you remember from a couple of months ago, I posted this video. Donald Trump's newly appointed crypto czar, David Sachs, discussed the ruling regarding Ripple and XRP, stating that they won. Plain and simple, check, mark, check, play.
Figure this out in real time. This is too complicated. The bottom line is that the headline is...
I just want to make sure the audience gets it, yeah.
Look, the headline is, the tweet, Ripple sales of XRP do not constitute offer of investment contracts, according to Judge. They won.
They won.
This is a huge vindication for them. And the XRP is ripping 35%.
Yeah, and it really handcuffs the SEC. What are they going to do about Coinbase and every other exchange? I mean, if they're not selling securities, I think Coinbase and everybody else has always maintained they're selling tokens. This was the fulcrum argument for the SEC, and they just lost.
The whole crypto market is ripping right now.
It's an interesting one. The confounding part of this is that the initial sale to accredited investors and hedge funds was done that they violated securities law there when they were selling directly to sophisticated investors. Just looking at it logically, you would think it was the reverse. But this is a fascinating turn of events.
I just texted with Brad Garlinghouse, and he says, yes, it does mean that they won. And he feels vindicated and really happy about the...
How do you feel, JCal?
Well, I feel like I'm going to launch Jcoin and sell a token to back startups. I mean, if it's a free for all,
I won't tell you what he said about
FJCal.
Yeah.
No, I mean,
you were accusing these guys of security fraud for like the last several years.
Well, they've been convicted of securities fraud here. So it's a two-part judgment. Ripple violated federal securities law in its sale of cryptocurrency, the first line of the story. There's two judgments here. They violated federal securities law in its sale of cryptocurrency XRP directly to sophisticated investors, but the sales on public exchanges did not involve securities. So what they're saying is, if you sold XRP to hedge funds, that was a security when they did the first offering. But when the public started trading it on public exchanges, they did not have, according to the Howey test, this belief.
But that's where their vulnerability was, because if you sell to a professional hedge fund, they're accredited.
That should not be an issue. You should be able to sell to accredited.
Right. So what's the problem? This is exoneration for them.
The judge says they
They're
lost
pretty happy, and the market seems to be indicating that this is. I mean, would you say the price is up 35%?
Well, I mean, listen,
it's up to 37% right now.
Crypto trades, I wouldn't necessarily put too much on it. I would look at the actual judgment here, but we all know people trade headlines. So let's see where it's at in 5 days. But
a bunch of the altcoins are ripping right now.
So David Sachs was literally defending Ripple and XRP against the Bitcoin maxi there, which is pretty funny because that's what's happening a lot over in the crypto Twitter space today. And check this out right here. Senator Cynthia Lummis comes out with a tweet with the red laser eyes. Allow me to reintroduce myself. If you're not bullish on this crypto market, I don't know what could possibly make you bullish. And here is that big news as well. XRP newsflash, Ripple has officially announced strategic partnership with MoneyGram, aiming to enhance transaction settlement services and global scale. As you know, the more and more adoption and use of Ripple, XRP is what will be happening, but the more and more use of XRP with these financial institutions, the better opportunity we have price going to the ups. And as we talked about the other day, U.S. securities regulator opens door for Wall Street banks to hold crypto. This is official. U.S. security regulator opened door for banks to hold crypto, getting rid of SAB and turning on SAB 121. Musk is exploring blockchain use to curb the U.S. government spending. Elon Musk has previously stated that he wants to cut $1 trillion to $6.5 trillion in annual federal spending to help balance the budget. Hey, bull runners, are you feeling FOMO about this bull run without the right financial support? We're here to change that. We're not just about funding, we're about growing your business together. Whether you're investing in crypto, kicking off a new startup, managing your existing business, or looking to expand, we have personalized funding that meets your exact needs. Imagine starting your business or getting capital to invest $100,000 to $250,000 at 0% interest. That's not a dream, it's what we do. We've helped countless entrepreneurs like you with 0% interest funding without needing personal funds, income verification, or collateral. With just a 680 credit score, you qualify. We understand that your business can't wait, so take advantage of our quick funding approach. We look beyond the credit score with inclusive approval process that sees the big picture of your business or investment potential. Our flexible repayments are tailored to match your business cycles, ensuring you can manage repayments without strain. With access to our extensive lending network of over 5,000 options, we're committed to finding the perfect match for your business or investing needs. Plus, you'll have our dedicated team by your side, guiding you through every step of the funding journey. Whether it's buying crypto, hiring new employees, or launching a new product, we're committed to your success. Click the link to connect with our expert advisors and secure your business's future now. Elon, the head of DOGE, is reportedly exploring implementations of blockchain technology in U.S. government operations to track and reduce federal spending, which is going to be amazing because it'll be on Ledger and we can see what they're spending our money on. According to Bloomberg, DOGE is also looking at using blockchain to secure data, make payments, and manage buildings as part of DOGE's efficiency push. So interestingly enough, will DOGE use DOGE or will it be using XRP? We're going to have to find out because they have not announced that. Personnel from the newly commissioned non-government department have also met with representatives from public permissions blockchains networks to consult about potential use by the U.S. government. The initiative is part of Musk's broader goal of eliminating trillions of dollars from the annual federal budget, ensuring government accountability through transparency. So as we can see here, we've got 12-month government spending, which is here, and 12-month tax revenue, which is here, which the tax revenue could also be changed with tariffs and the external revenue service. So instead of taxing United States citizens, we could be taxing other countries while bringing their goods to the United States. And I know, tariffs are a tax on Americans. Get out of here with that BS. Blockchain to force government transparency. Musk's push to use blockchain technology to force government transparency is not a new idea in politics. In April of 2024, presidential candidate RFK said that he wanted to put the entire federal budget on chain. I second that. I believe in that as well. The politician told an audience at a Michigan rally, every American can look at every budget item in the entire budget anytime they want, 24 hours a day. We're going to have 300 million eyeballs on the budget. If somebody is spending $16,000 for a toilet seat, everybody will know it. Kennedy's proposal was met with widespread support from the small government and sound money advocates who argued the U.S. government spending was out of control. And DOGE, the Department of Government Efficiency, launched its website on January 21st and officially adopted the Dogecoin logo used by the world's first meme coin, Dogecoin. Following the website's launch, the price of Dogecoin rallied approximately 11% to 38 cents. On January 20th, former presidential candidate, entrepreneur, and Doge co-founder Vivek Ramaswamy announced that he was stepping away from the Doge project to focus on running for governor of Ohio. So let's see what David Schwartz has to say about Satoshi and Bitcoin. There's a big feud between Bitcoin and XRP going on right now. In a recent discussion about circulating supply of XRP, Ripple CTO David Schwartz draws parallels with Bitcoin and the coins attributed to its mysterious creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. His remarks highlighted the complexity of defining what constitutes circulating supply in crypto landscape. So Brian W. posted, there is an issue with the XRP scan showing a different circulating supply in CoinMarketCap versus CoinGecko, not sure why. And David Schwartz chimed in, says, how you measure circulating supply depends on what you consider to be circulating supply and what you don't consider to be circulating. For a Bitcoin analogy, are Satoshi's Bitcoins circulating? Reasonable people can even disagree on which Bitcoins are Satoshis. CoinMarketCap's XRP circulating is 57.6 billion, while according to the screenshot shared by X-user XRP Scan reported 62.23 billion. Addressing the speculation, Schwartz explained, how you measure circulating supply depends on what you consider to be circulating and what you don't consider to be circulating. He continued, for a Bitcoin analogy, are Satoshi's Bitcoin circulating? Reasonable people can even disagree on which Bitcoins are Satoshis. Satoshi-owned Bitcoin is in the spotlight here. The analogy made by Ripple CTO is particularly relevant given that Satoshi Nakamoto is believed to own over 1 million Bitcoin, which have remained untouched since Bitcoin's early days. While these coins technically exist on the blockchain, many in the crypto community believe they are essentially out of circulation due to their inactivity. According to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin's total circulating supply is 19.81 million, with a maximum supply of 21 million. Ripple's XRP holdings are divided into two categories: XRP that is currently available in its wallets, and XRP subject to on-ledger escrow lockups that will be released monthly over the next 42 months. For this latter category, Ripple does not have access to this XRP until the escrow releases monthly. Every month, the remaining XRP releases return to the escrow account. So it's really interesting, this feud that is starting to shape up between Bitcoin and XRP in the news, in the headlines, over on X. Should not be happening. All right, next up, we got Brad Garlinghouse talking about the future of XRP. The XRP community is buzzing with anticipation of Brad Garlinghouse set to reveal major insights for the upcoming project on Community Day. Scheduled to be hosted on X Spaces January 28th, XRP Community Day is intended to promote engagement and interaction with XRP community. Garlinghouse is expected to open the event with reflections on XRP's biggest milestones, providing a retrospective look at the journey so far. Garlinghouse's address will also cover the state of the crypto industry. Perhaps the most fascinating part of the address will be Garlinghouse's vision for the year. According to Ripple X's tweet, the Ripple CEO will be sharing his vision for 2025, including Ripple's strategic plans and goals for XRP. Ripple is the major business developing technologies to leverage XRPL for institutional and government use cases. Ripple uses XRP and XRPL to power its on-demand liquidity service, custody, and tokenization activities. According to a most recent report by Masari, XRP's market value climbed 246% in Q4, exceeding the combined market cap of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, which increased by 44%. XRP's price climbed 241% quarter over quarter, with the difference between market cap and price attributed to a 1.6 rise in the circulating supply. All measured network metrics increased in Q4. New addresses increased 382 quarterly to 507,000, indicating the onboarding of new users. Furthermore, total active addresses climbed by 99% to 56,000, demonstrating an increase in new and existing users. Yearly quarterly new addresses grew by 115%. The average daily CLOB volume of fungible issued currencies climbed 1,140%, 12x to 7.9 million, while the average daily number of CLOB trades fell by 4% to 700,000. Average daily CLOB traders jumped by 300% in the past quarter to 9,300, while the average daily AMM volume climbed by 3,100%, 32x indicating exponential growth in usage. So huge, positive, amazing things coming for XRP and Ripple in 2025. Make sure you tune into that.
Hey, bull runners, check this out. If you want to learn how to find the next 10x, 50x, or even 100x altcoin in this video, listen to this. Our research team posted GOAT on the 13th of October of 2024 when it was right at a penny, and since then it rallied to over $1 and is currently still up over 5,000%. That's like turning $1,000 into over $50,000. Our team called Pendle at only a $16 million market cap, or 16 cents, back on February 18th of 2023, all the way back here, and since then it's rallied up over 4,000%. That's a 40x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $40,000. Our team also called BitTensor Tau September 15th, 2022, before the token was ever even launched. And since then, Tau has rallied over 2,000%. That's a 20x. Our team even said Solana is most likely to be one of the easiest trades next year, and this was posted December 29th, 2022, on the day that Solana bottomed out at around $8. And since then, Solana looks like it's up over 2,500%. That's a 25x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $25,000. And the bull run is just getting started. The list goes on and on and on. Our team called Sui, Ondo, and even some of the biggest cult-based meme coins like MOG back in July 20th of 2023, the day that MOG launched. So if you want to learn how our team is finding these altcoins before they explode, we just launched Altcoin Pro University, where our research team gives you real-time altcoin picks with explosive potential for this bull run, along with 100+ expert curated classes crafted by industry experts to discover these gems yourself, on top of our live weekly calls every single week for in-depth crypto market analysis and daily updates. And that's just a fraction of what we offer inside of Altcoin Pro University through the link below. And although we make no guarantees because crypto is definitely risky, guys, this is only $97 a month or $970 a year. If you want to save $194, getting 2 months for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses through the link below. But I'm not going to talk all about that in this video because we have a lot to cover. Just go through the link in the description below, get in right now, watch the 26-minute video covering everything that Altcoin Pro University offers, because we have a lot to cover with you over the next few minutes in this video to help you become the first millionaire in your family tree. If that's a goal of yours, our goal is to help 1,000 members set their portfolio up for life this month. And you can get started through the link in the description below right now, or you can go to bullrunners.com to take advantage of the bonuses we're giving you before they expire. We have about 200 members right now, and we literally just launched like less than 5 days ago at the time of making this video. Everyone is loving the community. They're loving the education. They're getting access to real-time altcoin picks first before we ever make videos about them. So click the link in the description below, watch the video, and I'll see you on the inside.